Morning and welcome to the free training, and I hope you're going to get some value from all of this. So over the coming days I'm going to be dropping a series of videos, and they're all going to be within the guide of foundation. And what we're going to be looking at is just to double check that you're operating with all the basics of affiliate marketing. I'm going to be reaching out to each of you individually to discuss the content of your questions, and I will be posting some videos directly to you with my thoughts on where you need to go, what you need to do, and we'll double check those in a week and 2 weeks time and get you to give me some feedback on how you think that they are working or how they can work, and how they will possibly just alter slightly the path that you're taking to start getting you some small results. And I want you to think that way, because for anyone starting from the beginning to jump straight to a 4 or 5k month is, I'll be honest with you, unrealistic. And I'm just going to focus on something that is just so true. To be very good, you first need to be good. Now, to be good, you need to be average. And at average, you previously need to have been bad. And before you can be bad, you probably haven't started. So that's the natural evolution. So people expecting to jump from beginner to, average, good, very good, is just not part of the process, unfortunately. So another thing that really you need to focus on, and this is just so key to anything in life, actually, not just affiliate marketing, and it's your mindset. Now, it's very, very easy to get into the trap of, especially on Facebook or any social platform for that matter, or around friends and family, to absorb negativity and to see what others are doing. Now, what I would say to both of those concepts is get your mind into the mode of achievement, okay? Because if you think that you'll be able to do it, and if you focus yourself on achieving the goals that you've set yourself, then the mind is very powerful to lead you in that direction. If your mind is, I can't do, I'm not capable, I'm not sure of myself, then guess what? Your mind is going to take you in that route. Now, I would encourage anyone to grab a copy of the new Think and Grow Rich movie, because it's got some very, very powerful messages in it that are not only up to date but time related, because this concept actually never changes. The power of the mind is probably going to be one of the most successful components you can bring to the affiliate marketing journey. Yes, there's lots of other components that you need to work at. You need to be persistent, and you need to be engaging with those and learning and testing at all times things that work and don't work. But it's a journey, okay? And many people have said this analogy, that it's a marathon, it's not a sprint, and that's just so true. Now, part of what I'm going to try and give you is just those key areas to focus you on not quitting, because it's the easiest thing in the world when you're not getting results to just say, this is not for me, I'm out. You're never ever going to get to 4 or 5k months with that mindset. You need to shift your beliefs. You need to shift your beliefs to a positivity that you're capable, that you're worthy, and that you can do it. And that alone is going to be so powerful that you will start to see results. Okay, so just to recap this first video, mindset, okay? Don't expect unrealistic results from day one. Chip away work at it, and just be persistent. And if you can, grab a copy of Think, Grow Rich movie. I'm not going to affiliate link it because I'm just telling you that this is a great movie. It's about an hour and a half, and I will soon be getting affiliate links for it, which includes a 72-hour free pass, which I will gladly share with you when I am approved as an affiliate. But in the meantime, it's 18 bucks. Just go and buy it because it's really, really going to add a great tool set to your arsenal to work in this game. And I would also suggest, if you haven't already, I've posted in the group a book by Alex Hormozy. It's available on Amazon as a Kindle edition for $1 and I think 13 cents or 14 cents. But at the end of the day, this is just so insane that there's no reason why you shouldn't buy it. This guy has priced this book so cheaply that the title of the book says it all. The offer is so crazy that you'd feel silly saying no. It's called $100 million offers, and it is just value packed. There are some people, I'm telling you now, that have just formulated courses for $397 teaching this exactly same principle, just regurgitated. So think about that. $1.13. If you want to buy the book, it's about $18. It will be delivered in a hard copy, but I strongly suggest you get the Kindle if you're able to, because not only is the book about 4 or 5 hours read, and it's I'm telling you, golden nuggets raining from the ceiling. The guy's also got videos that he's offering for free. Now, he's transparent in the book about why he's doing it for free, ultimately adding value, hoping that later down the line you'll maybe a customer. Exactly the same principle of Frank Kern, who I totally respect. He's another guy that you should try and get some modules from. He drops bombs on Facebook every now and again, buying some of his old courses for like $4. Learn from the masters. Forget all these up and coming gurus who have only been doing it for 3 months and then want to charge you thousands of dollars for their system. Let's see how long they last. Learn from the time or the people that have been in it a long time, okay? And they're people like Russell Brunson, Todd Brown, Frank Kern, Bob Proctor, established people, and Tony Robbins if you want the mindset approach as well. Okay, so I think that's probably enough for me, and I just want to drop an apology as well. I am a couple of days late in getting this first video out to you. I called this first guide number 1 foundation, and that's all we're going to be covering for this free training. I'm going to be doing further free training down the line as well, so stay in the group. I will be adding some value when I'm able to. I've got other things on the go as well, which I'll share with you later down the line. But I just wanted to drop this first video to talk about the mindset, because I think looking at all the questions that were answered, the majority of you are needing a little bit of mindset shift to get to where you want to be. And if you think that you're where you want to be, then I'm okay with you leaving the group. That's absolutely fine. But if you want to stay, then I can add some value to you step by step. I've been in the internet marketing space for 29 years, not full time, never have been, and probably never will be. I've always been a consultant in a specialist field, and I still work a 9 to 5. But I do a lot of marketing in my 9 to 5 job. I've become really an expert in it, and I can share with you more information on that if you'd like to know, or if you're interested. But I know what I'm talking about. I've been around a long time, and I've seen a lot of changes in those 29 years, and I've seen a lot of people come and go, and I don't want you to be wasting money on stuff that is just nonsense. Some of it's good, some of it's bad. If you want to reach out to me personally, because you're thinking about any particular program and you just want my thoughts on it, I'm pretty much up to date on everything that's out there, by the way. Some of it I've bought just to see what it's all about. I'm curious. other stuff I wouldn't touch with a barge pole. I wouldn't even waste my money buying it to tell people that it's crap, because I can tell you firsthand it's crap. And there's a handful of stuff out there that is excellent, and I would totally recommend it. But within this group, it's not about trying to get you to buy something. As most of you would know, I'm not particularly active in selling products. It doesn't necessarily interest me, to be perfectly frank. I'm busy working on other areas of an internet space business, which is coaching in my area of expertise, which is a specialist sub-niche in construction. But anyway, enough about me. I hope you got some value from this first video, and please stay tuned, and I'm going to be adding more in this Guide 1 foundation for you, and hopefully set you a little bit further down the path than you were when you first started watching these videos. So have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.